wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best exhaust kits for the F-150. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Dyno tested, the magnaflow 19080 Street Series delivers comfortable interior and exterior sound levels with proven power increases. Featuring dual 2.5-inch pipes that end in 3.5-inch tips, it has a deeper tone than the factory exhaust while not being much louder. It's backed by a lifetime warranty with a generic muffler design. However, it may need professional installation. At number 5, the Flowmaster 817725 American Thunder features the same muffler as amateur racing applications, making it one of the loudest options. Equipped with twin tailpipes in assorted lengths, this kit allows for a split or side exit to go along with the aggressive tone. It offers custom bolt-on installation options, but it provides limited performance gains, and it's very loud inside and out. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Built by a respected Ford performance tuner, the Roush 421985 has 3-inch inlets and outlets for a consistent airflow from idle to redline. It has dual polished tips with embossed logos and a tone designed to make your truck sound more like a Mustang. It's made from T304 stainless steel and backed by a 3-year warranty. However, it comes with inexpensive hangers and clamps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for exhaust kits for the F-150 or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the Gibson 60-0034 stainless metal mulisha offers a limited lifetime warranty and will make your truck sound mean. It features 4-inch piping with a single oversized 6-inch black ceramic exhaust tip and white skull logo for a menacing appearance. This one's easy to install and produces an unmistakable sound inside and out. It's designed for low and mid-range power. At number 2, built by a supplier to Ferrari, the borla 140619 88K has a tone similar to a sports car. One of the more expensive choices, it's manufactured using T304 stainless steel and thicker welds than others to deliver a longer life in harsh conditions. It produces an aggressive sound across the power band and is backed by a 1 million mile warranty. It delivers pleasant interior sound levels. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the mbrp S5259 is designed to minimize heat so your engine can run harder for longer. Unlike competitors that use the same muffler design for different vehicles or engines, this system is engineered for each application and tested to verify the performance. It boasts an authoritative exhaust note, minimal bend angles for maximum airflow, and a good bang for the buck. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for exhaust kits for the F-150 or simply click beneath this video.